The terrain's really rough on these vehicles, so we're doing a lot of wheels and a lot of suspension work and a lot of flat tires.
My platoon stay fairly busy because during the refit and maintenance phase of each company going out on the objective and come back, usually preventive maintenance or any deficiencies that we found with the vehicle coming back, then we have to fix it and then send it back into the fight. In regards to training for my platoon, we also conduct squad level training in conjunction with the test. Maintenance, we still have maintenance classes to get our new mechanics more proficient on their jobs, and also leadership focused classes, non-commissioned officers teaching and training and coaching, mentoring young soldiers. Also, with the time, if we have any downtime, we kind of fit that in the schedule as far as performing maintenance, learning on new equipment, and still maintaining soldier and squad level proficiency on skill level 1 tasks.
That big screwdriver, pop bar, run by.